Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Board Trading Academy. Today we have the video a little bit late, sorry for that. But in any case, let's get started with the analysis. And today we will be looking at the Australian versus New Zealand dollar currency pair. Before we get started, I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. The price action on the Australian versus New Zealand is very interesting in terms of the bearish potential. First off, we have the ascending channel and we have a break below the ascending channel. Now the second point is there was a rejection of the 200 exponential, it's 50% exponential moving average. It was acting as the support. And you can see this level is right now is a resistance. Now we had rejected the 50 exponential moving average and then rejected it again. Two rejections, break below the ascending channel, and it's all looks extremely bearish. Now I have used two fips here. First was applied to the corrective move to the upside after breaking the channel. And second fips to the last wave to the upside where price has topped out. So here we have two fips. First is 161.8 and then 88.6. Both of them are located at 1.0634 level, and this could be this potential move to the downside from this point onwards. On the other hand, we can expect consolidation still before the trend continues. Maybe it will start on Monday, but at the same time it could be very, very fast. No one can tell, but I like the price action. It looks extremely bearish, especially considering this rejection of this area. Previously was support, resistance, resistance, and rejected along with the moving average. So we have this level to watch and see how it goes. Now in regards to the upside risk, if there will be daily break and close, obviously the downtrend trend line will be broken. So now we see the rejection of the downtrend trend line, but if there will be a daily break and close, it will invalidate the bearish forecast. We can expect spikes above, and this will not invalidate bearish forecast. If there will be a spike, then close below, we will need to see the next day and close above the spike produced. Only then it will invalidate the forecast. So for now, looks extremely bearish. Nonetheless, consolidation can take place. So that's the analysis for the Australian versus New Zealand dollar. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of this pair, whether you expect the downtrend or the uptrend, or perhaps you think it will be moving sideways for an extended period of time. And now moving on to previously made analysis, starting off with the Canadian Swiss franc. So here guys, we are at the resistance area. Let's have a look at the daily. Now on the daily guys, this resistance has been rejected, so there was no closing above the resistance, which I do like. There is a still downside potential for this pair. I think it should be going down, maybe not as much as I did expect at first, but who knows. There was a tricky market on the daily as well. We didn't break below the previously made low, so there is still range trading going on. But as you know, this forecast has been invalidated, and we're just watching what's happening because of the Euro Canadian, which is highly correlated. Here on the Euro Canadian, what's happening? Zoom it out 4 hours. So the green area is the support zone, which has been rejected multiple times. Now this level at 155.67 could be retested, but I don't think price will go anywhere lower. Now there is also a very important support at this stage where the moving average has been rejected, yet there can be spike produced to kick out stop losses. If there will be one, we need to watch for the closing price. It must be above this level. All in all, still remains bullish. We will see how it goes. and I don't think there will be much of a downside move from this point onwards. Still bullish, higher highs and higher lows are being printed and looks quite good to me. Euro Japanese yen. So here, well, I don't know, here is not a very clean picture to me, guys, but I think this 23.6 pips has been rejected cleanly. And if there will be daily break and close below, definitely the bullish forecast will be invalidated. But as long as it stays above, we are waiting for the upside resistance. Next Fibonacci cycle is on the 6th of October, which means next week, sometimes next week, we might be testing this resistance. Euro Australian dollar. Well, here definitely it got invalidated because of the close below the support. There was a spikes and then close. But now, guys, the other thing is the clean rejection of the channel. And I do like this price action a lot. Extremely clean bounce, price produced a spike below, and it looks very bullish. It just does. So I would change the forecast to something like that. I think it will be moving to this resistance area from this point onwards. It really is a bullish price action at this moment, because we did had a break above the downtrend trend line, above the 200 exponential moving average, and right now this level looks very attractive for buyers. I think price will continue rising, and at some stage as well, maybe next week, we will be seeing this resistance tested. US oil looks very bearish, guys. We see the uptrend trend line broken to the downside, and then sellers were waiting for this area, for this rejection of the trend line, and this was the best price for them, as you can see. So cleanly rejected 2 times and now starting to move down. So very bearish on the US oil, which should provide the weakness for the Canadian dollar, because they do correlate. Next is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin today, look what happened. The price went sharply down, and I said if there will be a new lower low, it will be invalidated. Now this level is important, so let's just mark it, and I want to show you the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, there was no closing price below, and this means that this support is holding. So as long as daily closing price stays above this red line, which is previously mentioned support, we are still bullish on the Bitcoin, and this could be quite a nice rally. But if there will be daily break and close below this low, I would expect price to retest 10K and could be going even lower. The buying opportunity, I think, will get a lot less attractive if that will be the case, because this is extremely strong support, and I would be definitely watching it if I would trade cryptocurrencies. So yeah, this looks still very bullish. Stellar lumens, here we have support rejected, spike produced, and then another spike, but we failed to close below. So all in all, the 38.2 pips holding, and now, well, nothing has changed. I'm very bullish. I'm very bullish still on cryptocurrencies as long as this current supports hold. I think today we saw these lows that we won't see for the long time, but who knows? I might be wrong, obviously, as usual, but we will see what happens. Gold slowly starting to rise, so price action here is quite nice. Maybe correction down, maybe not, but all in all, still expecting an uptrend to continue. Looks very bullish, so we'll see, but it's $60, $68 to go for this upside move. It won't be fast. I don't think it will be fast, but maybe next week as well we will start moving higher. For now, consolidation would be reasonable for some time, for like 3-4 days, and then another upswing. And the final idea was the Australia and New Zealand. If you like the idea, if you have the same view on the Australia and New Zealand, don't forget to click the like, put the comment down below, ask questions, and I will see you guys tomorrow with new analysis. Take care and profits to you.